warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, before I proceed to introduce myself, my name is Aditya Baksana. Here, I want to tell you about my social media. I have 4 social media accounts, namely WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And the first is WhatsApp. I use WhatsApp to make it easier for me to communicate with friends only by chatting and video calling, and I use WhatsApp 8 hours a day. And the second is Instagram. I use Instagram to find out information about the latest news, especially news in my area, and I only open Instagram for 1 hour a day. And the third is TikTok. I use TikTok for entertainment, and on TikTok I can also see a lot of the latest news that is going viral. For example, the Pertamina corruption case, and I use TikTok for more than 9 hours when I don't have any college assignment. And the fourth is YouTube. I use YouTube to learn something about college assignment, and I also use YouTube to listen to music, and on YouTube I only spend 2 hours a day. In my opinion, of the 4 social media that I use, all of them are very helpful and useful when we use them for positive things. My advice is to be wise in using social media so that you get the benefits. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.